Hello, beauty lovers. Today, let's talk about a product that could take your skincare routine to the next level. The PURA D'OR 25% Vitamin C Serum 4 Aughts plus 0.25mm Derma Roller Set. This set combines two heavy hitters in the world of skincare, vitamin C and a derma roller, promising to tackle hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and dull skin. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. This set is designed to give you a rejuvenated, youthful glow by targeting dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone. It combines PURA D'OR's 25% Vitamin C Serum, which is packed with powerful antioxidants, and a 0.25mm derma roller to help exfoliate the skin. The idea is to use the derma roller first, and then follow up with the serum for maximum absorption and results. First off, let's talk about the Vitamin C Serum. At a 25% concentration, it's a strong dose, but still within the realm of safe, effective formulations. Vitamin C is known for its ability to brighten the skin, even out skin tone, and reduce the appearance of dark spots. This serum promises to deliver all of those benefits thanks to its combination of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, which keeps the skin hydrated and plump, along with retinol, which is great for accelerating cell turnover. In terms of ingredients, you're getting a well-rounded formula here. Vitamin C is the star, but there are also some other great supporting ingredients that can enhance the effectiveness of this serum. The hyaluronic acid adds moisture, and the retinol helps with skin renewal, making this a great combo for anyone struggling with uneven texture or signs of aging. Now, the derma roller, at 0.25mm, helps to exfoliate the skin and create tiny channels to allow the serum to penetrate deeper. I like that this size is ideal for home use. It's not too aggressive, so it's gentle enough for most people, but still effective enough to bring noticeable results when paired with the serum. Just remember, it's always essential to sanitize the roller before and after each use to avoid any infections. When I first used this set, I noticed that the derma roller was easy to handle and didn't cause any discomfort. After rolling, my skin felt a little tingly, which is totally normal. Applying the serum afterward was smooth, and it absorbed fairly quickly. I saw some initial brightening effects right away, but the longer-term improvements really kicked in after about a week or so of consistent use. My skin looked firmer, more even, and the dark spots I've been battling appeared softer. One thing to note, this set is best suited for people with normal to dry skin, as the hyaluronic acid will keep your skin hydrated. However, if you have sensitive or acne-prone skin, proceed with caution. The retinol in the serum might be a bit too much if you're prone to irritation, so it's always a good idea to patch test first. Let's go over the pros and cons of the PURA D'OR 25% Vitamin C Serum plus Derma Roller Set. Pros: effective dark spot treatment. Both the vitamin C and the exfoliation from the derma roller help lighten dark spots and uneven skin tone. Hydrating. The hyaluronic acid keeps your skin moisturized while the vitamin C brightens. Convenient. You get both the serum and the derma roller in one set, making it an easy two-step skincare routine. Cons: slight tingling. Some people may experience mild tingling or irritation due to the retinol, especially if you have sensitive skin. May not be suitable for oily or sensitive skin. The formula, though hydrating, might be too rich for certain skin types. When it comes to value for money, this product provides pretty solid worth, especially if you're looking for an all-in-one solution for hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. The Vitamin C Serum alone is a high-quality product, and the addition of the derma roller makes this a two-in-one deal that could save you money compared to buying these products separately. As far as alternatives go, there are a few similar products that offer vitamin C serums paired with exfoliation tools. One comparable option is Tatcha's Violet C Brightening Serum, which also offers a combination of vitamin C and exfoliating elements, though it's priced a bit higher. The Ordinary's Vitamin C Suspension, paired with their buffing brush, is another budget-friendly alternative. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but effective. The derma roller is made of stainless steel, which feels durable, and the serum bottle has a pump for easy application, which is a small touch that makes a big difference when using it every day. I haven't had any direct experience with the customer service of PURA D'OR, but the brand generally has a solid reputation for handling customer inquiries and concerns efficiently. So, what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a reliable, multi-step treatment for uneven skin tone and dark spots, the PURA D'OR Vitamin C Serum plus Derma Roller Set is worth considering. The serum is packed with potent ingredients that can deliver visible results with consistent use, and the Derma Roller is a great addition for enhancing serum absorption. This combo would be ideal for people in their 30s and 40s looking to tackle early signs of aging, hyperpigmentation, or those just trying to refresh their skincare routine. Before I wrap up, don't forget to give this review a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and please subscribe to Beautyistic for more honest, expert-level skincare reviews. And as always, if you've tried this product or have any thoughts on it, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.